In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert or add links or hyperlinks in Jira. If you want to make your Jira issues more useful and easier to navigate, adding a hyperlink is a great option. It allows you to connect a task to supporting documents, reference pages, tickets, or any other helpful resource without cluttering the description with a long web address. The process is quick, and once you know where the option is, it becomes very easy to use. To begin, open Jira and click on the task where you want to add the hyperlink. This will open the issue details so you can make changes directly inside that item. Make sure you're inside the correct task before editing, especially if you're working across multiple tickets. Once the task is open, go to the description area. This is where you can add formatted text, including links. If the description field is not already active, click into it so the editing tools appear. This is important because the hyperlink option is usually available in the text editor toolbar. Next, click the link icon in the editor. This opens the option to insert a hyperlink into the description. In Jira, this tool is designed to let you attach a web address to clean, readable text, which is much more professional and easier for teammates to understand at a glance. After that, paste your link into the URL field. Be sure to paste the full address correctly so the link works as expected. If you copied the link from another tab or document, it's a good idea to quickly double check it before saving. That can help avoid broken links later. Then enter the display text. This is the text people will actually see in the description instead of the full web address. For example, instead of showing a long URL, you can use something short and clear like project documentation, design file, or meeting notes. Choosing meaningful display text helps everyone understand where the link goes before they click it. Finally, click Save to apply the hyperlink to the description. Once saved, the text should appear as a clickable link inside the Jira issue. You can test it to confirm it opens the correct destination. And that's it. You've successfully added a hyperlink in Jira. This is a simple feature, but it can make your tickets much more organized, especially when you need to reference outside resources.